to town.
Hi, my name is Emily Elizabeth, and this is Clifford, my big red dog.
Clifford needed Emily, so she chose him for her own. And her love made Clifford grow so big that the Howards had to leave their home. Clifford's the best friend anyone could know. He's the greatest dog ever. I really think so. Clifford's so loyal. He's there when you call. I love Clifford, the big red dog. So they packed up a family car, and the Howards left the city. They moved to Birdwell Island and found many new friends there to greet Clifford and Emily. Clifford's so much fun, he's a friend to us all. I love Clifford, the big red dog.
Woo!
Clifford's Hiccups.
Whoa! What was that?
What in blue blazes is that?
Goodness, what is that?
Whoa, what is that? Oh no, it's Clifford. Is Clifford okay, Dr. Din?
He seems to be just fine. Whoa! Oh! Nothing serious.
Well, we're glad to hear that.
It looks like Clifford just has a little case of the hiccups.
Whoa!
Nothing is little when it comes to Clifford.
Is there anything we can do, Doctor?
I'm afraid not. Well, sooner or later, the hiccups will just go away on their own.
What exactly do you mean sooner or later?
They could last a few minutes, or they could last for days.
Don't worry, Clifford. No one's ever had the hiccups forever. They'll go away soon.
That's right, Emily Elizabeth.
Whoa, now that's a big hiccup.
Yeah, he's been doing that all morning.
Sheriff Lewis says that a great way to get rid of hiccups is to have someone scare them out of you. Yikes!
Hey, Clifford, it's us.
Come on out, Clifford.
Hi, guys.
We heard about your hiccups, big guy.
Everyone has heard about them.
It's so strange. I've never had the hiccups before.
The hiccups are nothing. I get them all the time.
You do?
Well, I had them once when I was a puppy. At least that's what Mrs. Diller said. I don't really remember.
Emily Elizabeth says they'll go away on their own. I just have to be patient.
Boo!
Oh, hi, T-Bone.
Did I scare you, Clifford?
Not really.
Are you sure? Because Sheriff Lewis says that sometimes you can scare the hiccups away.
Really? Well, maybe I was a little scared. Wow. Hey! I guess not. But thanks for trying, T-Bone.
Forget scaring the hiccups away. I know how to get rid of them.
You do?
Sure. Mrs. Diller says that once you get your energy flowing the right way, you can cure anything.
What does that mean, Cleo?
I don't know. But she calls it feng shui, and I've watched her do it lots of times.
Does it hurt?
Nope. I just have to move a few things around in your doghouse.
Okay, Cleo, let's try it.
Great. You wait here. I'll go get everything ready inside.
What is she doing in there?
I don't know. I hope it works.
Okay, Clifford, come on in. Ta-da!
Wow! Is this gonna cure my hiccups?
Yep. You see, by moving everything around, I'm making all your mystical hiccup energy move right past all this stuff and straight out the front door. Works every time. Well, it takes a minute to work. It's gonna work real soon. I don't think this is gonna work.
Thanks for trying, Cleo. But Emily Elizabeth says I won't have the hiccups forever. I just have to wait until they go away.
I wish we could help, Clifford.
Ah, me too.
Well, I know how to make the hiccups go away, if anyone's interested.
You do?
Of course.
How, Mac?
Just come with me, Clifford. I'll take care of everything.
Great.
Here we are, Clifford. This'll do the trick.
Swimming is gonna get rid of his hiccups?
Not swimming, drinking.
Drinking?
That's right. You just drink 20 big gulps of water.
Well, okay.
Wait, you have to shut your eyes while you drink.
Oh, okay.
Wait! You also have to hold your left ear with your right paw and your right ear with your left paw.
Wow, that sounds hard.
You're making this up, Mac.
No, I'm not.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Guys, could we go on now?
Oh, sure, Clifford. Go ahead and drink the water now.
Wait! He can't drink pool water.
Why not?
It's for swimming and splashing. You're not supposed to drink it. Are you sure you know what you're doing, Mac?
Oh, of course I do.
Well, it doesn't seem like it to me.
Boo!
Whoa!
I scared you that time, didn't I, Clifford?
Yeah, you did kind of startle me.
Did I scare the hiccups away?
Well, hey, I think you did.
Yes! I did it!
Wait a minute. you didn't scare his hiccups away. They went away because he did all that stuff that I told him to do.
Nuh-uh. I'm the one who made his hiccups stop.
What?
It just took a while for that energy-moving stuff to work.
Au contraire. I am the one that brought health back to
I was the one
Clifford.
that
No,
scared
I
him.
didn't. I'm the one who did it.
Excuse me.
We're sorry none of us could get rid of your hiccups, Clifford.
That's okay. You all tried your best.
We really wanted to help.
You did help. I mean, you didn't make my hiccups go away, but it sure made me feel good that you tried so hard.
Clifford!
It's Emily Elizabeth. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
There you are, Clifford. How are your hiccups, boy? Did they finally go away? I don't hear anything. Clifford, your hiccups are gone.
Whoa, whoa.
I'm so happy for you. It looks like your friends are really happy for you too, Clifford. It's nice having good friends who care about you, isn't it, boy? Clifford! It's story time! You want to hear a Speckle story, don't you? I thought so. He's your favorite. Today's story is Speckle and the Windy Day. It was a windy day, perfect for flying kites. Speckle, Reba, and Ravi flew their kites in the windy sky. Suddenly, Speckle was pulled right up off the ground. Off he sailed over the treetops. Then he soared past some geese who'd never seen a dog fly before. Speckle was having a very fun adventure. At last, Speckle landed safely in a soft green meadow. Now he wanted to stay on the ground and fly his kite with his friends. So Reba picked up some stones and tied them around Speckle's waist. That helped Speckle to stay on the ground with his friends, so they could all fly their kites together. The end. That was a great story. Isn't reading fun?
Clifford says be the best red dog on your block. Visit your local library to discover all kinds of books, both big and small.
Dig up more fun with Clifford and his friends at pbskids.org.